Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to a new travel diary. Currently, we are at the station where they check for the pass. So, because we are going very close to the India China border, you require a previous pass in order to do it. Now, I've booked an entire car for this, a Mahindra XUV, and this trip from Tawang costs around 5,000 rupees, and the pass which is required for the police permit costs around 500. So the driver himself will do this pass for you, but the overall cost for this entire journey is around 5,500. But we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to Bumla Pass. We're going to explore some lakes around it. Everyone, we've just stopped for a quick break and just look at this view. There are around 25 lakes that we cross when we go through this pass, and as you can see behind me, all those are military base camp installations. We are at the beautiful Sangitsar Lake, also known as the Madhuri Dixit Lake, because Koila movie was shot here and there was a song in which Madhuri Dixit was there which was shot here. So locally it is very famously called Madhuri Dixit Lake. So we're just going to look at the beauty of this lake and see if we can eat something as well. I'm so hungry. There is a point called Randeep Hooda point over here as well. Maybe Randeep Hooda had also shot some movie over here. I don't know. So I'm in this cafeteria run by the military near the lake, and I'm having cappuccino, and I've ordered samosa, and it's cold, and I'll have garma garam samosa with cappuccino. Here, so much on top. They were doing Ganpati Visarjan, and the soldiers were dancing and enjoying and having a lot of fun, and they gave us prasad as well. I have finally reached the Bumla Pass, and now okay, we have to wait for 15 minutes so that they're just gathering a lot of people, and then they will take us inside. So guys, as you can see, behind me is the Bumla Pass, and we heard the story of Bumla Pass, the conflict with the in between Indochina from the soldier himself, and how our soldiers have laid their lives to protect this piece of land. Some things you just take for granted, like your basic freedom, and coming here and listening to these stories, I just got goosebumps. So guys, we were at the Bumla Pass, and see, this is the photograph that we have to take. So there are no photographs or videos allowed inside, but the military takes your photo, and then the superintendent signs it as well. So this is my photograph to Bumla Pass. Guys, just below the Bumla Pass is Supinder Joginder Singh Memorial. He was the valiant soldier who fought against the Chinese when they attacked, and he and his 22 soldiers killed more than 300 Chinese soldiers until they were captured and then he was tortured for information, but he never gave out any information. And they fractured his body. They really, there were 8 bullet wounds in his body, but he still fought like a true soldier. And this memorial is to commemorate that. So apparently, when the news of his demise reached his home 35 days later, it came via a letter, and his eldest daughter read that letter. She had a heart attack and she died on the spot. Till date, his younger daughter, on 23rd October, which is when he was martyred, she now lives in Canada, but she comes back to India, to Bumla Pass, to commemorate him on every 23rd October. So we've reached back to Tawang, and I'm at this beautiful monument of Buddha at Tawang. And just today's day gave me a lot of retrospection on, conflicts and how people give their lives for their countries, something that they really believe in. And with that, I'm ending my vlog here with a thought. It's not the mountains that we capture, but ourselves.